Welcome back to RV Deep Dive, your home for the most detailed and exciting motorhome reviews on YouTube. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we go deeper into RVs than anyone else. Today, I'm beyond excited because we're about to explore one of the most iconic and family-friendly RVs on the American road, the 2026 Thor Four Winds 31H. This motorhome has a reputation for being one of the best Class C RVs in the United States. And in its 2026 model year, Thor has pushed the boundaries even further with better design, upgraded technology, and family-focused layouts that make traveling more comfortable than ever. So whether you're considering your first motorhome or you're a seasoned traveler looking for a practical, reliable coach for family adventures, this walkthrough is going to show you everything you need to know. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand why the Four Winds has been a bestseller for decades. Let's start with the exterior, because that's the first thing people will notice when you pull into a campground. At a glance, the 2026 Thor Four Winds 31H maintains its recognizable Class C profile with a large cab-over bunk extending over the 4D series cab. That iconic overhang isn't just a design choice. It's functional space inside, giving you an extra bed or entertainment area. The exterior graphics are fresh for 2026, with sleek modern stripes in shades of silver, blue, and charcoal gray. Moving along the driver's side, you'll see the large slide out. This single full-wall slide extends the length of the living room and bunk area, dramatically opening up the interior space once parked. The slide mechanisms are heavy-duty and include slide toppers to protect against leaves, debris, and rain. Thor also added smart seals for better insulation, so you'll stay comfortable in all four seasons. Down below, you'll notice multiple exterior storage compartments, and this is where Thor really pays attention to usability. The Four Winds 31H has huge pass-through storage at the rear, perfect for lawn chairs, outdoor tables, fishing poles, or even bikes. There are additional side compartments with latches that feel secure and solid, preventing rattling when you're on the road. All the compartments are finished with rot-resistant material, so you don't have to worry about water damage. One of the highlights of this motorhome is the awning. On the passenger side, you get a large electric awning that extends with the push of a button, providing plenty of shade for your family cookouts. The awning also includes integrated LED lighting, so at night you can enjoy a warm glow while sitting outside. Imagine parking at a lakeside campground, rolling out your awning, turning on the LED strip, and enjoying dinner with your family under the stars. That's the lifestyle Thor is selling here, and it works. Now, let's talk about something every family wants in a Class C RV: outdoor entertainment. The 31H delivers with an optional exterior TV mounted under the awning. So as you can see, the exterior of the 2026 Thor Four Winds 31H strikes a balance between style and functionality. It's rugged enough to handle cross-country travel, practical with its storage and towing capacity, and stylish with updated graphics and LED lighting. This is the kind of motorhome that will turn heads at the campground, but also deliver on all the everyday conveniences of family needs. Step inside the cab of the 2026 Thor Four Winds 31H, and right away you can see why this is one of the most family-friendly motorhomes on the market. The cockpit is designed to feel familiar to anyone who's ever driven a Ford van or truck. Since the Four Winds is built on the Ford E450 chassis, the driver and passenger seats feel like a comfortable transition from a regular vehicle, not an intimidating semi-truck. The first thing you'll notice is the massive windshield that offers an incredible view of the road ahead. This panoramic visibility is not just for looks. It's a key safety feature, giving you a wide field of vision on highways, city streets, and campgrounds alike. The seats are plush captain's chairs finished in durable fabric or optional leatherette, depending on your chosen package. Both seats swivel, allowing them to become part of the living area when you're parked. On the dashboard, above the cab is one of the most iconic features of the Four Winds series, the cab-over bunk. This space is surprisingly roomy, offering sleeping accommodations for 1 or 2 people. It comes with its own LED lighting, a window for natural light, and even an optional swivel TV on a mount that can face either the bunk or the living room. Families love this spot for kids, but honestly, it's comfortable enough for adults too. Now, stepping back into the main living area, the space immediately opens up thanks to that full wall slide out we mentioned earlier. On one side, you typically have a jackknife sofa or optional theater seating, both upholstered in easy-to-clean fabrics designed to handle family use. The sofa converts into an additional bed at night, adding to the overall sleeping capacity of this motorhome. Directly across, you'll find a spacious dinette. This is a booth-style setup with comfortable cushions and a large tabletop that easily fits 4 people. The table lowers to create another sleeping area if needed, which makes this coach an excellent option for families with children or guests. Large windows surround the living and dining area, filling the space with natural light during the day, and at night, LED ceiling lights create entertainment is another strong point here. A flat-screen TV is strategically placed, often mounted on a wall or swivel arm, so it can be viewed from the sofa, dinette, or even the cab over bunk. The integrated sound system provides surround sound, and with HDMI inputs, you can easily connect a gaming console, DVD player, or streaming device. Thor clearly understands that families want modern tech, even when they're off the grid. Moving into the kitchen, this is where the Four Winds 31H really starts to feel like home. On the passenger side of the slide-out, you'll find a residential-style setup with everything you need to prepare full meals on the road. The countertops are solid surface, offering durability and a sleek finish. There's ample counter space for chopping vegetables or setting up a coffee station. You get a deep stainless steel sink with a high-rise faucet, complete with a pull-down sprayer for... The refrigerator is a double-door unit, either propane/electric or residential-style 12V, depending on the package. It's large enough to store groceries for extended trips, and the freezer compartment can easily handle ice cream or frozen meals. There's also a pantry next to the fridge, which is a lifesaver for storing dry goods, snacks, and cereal boxes. Small touches make a big difference here, like LED lighting under the cabinets, a tile backsplash for easy cleaning, and soft close drawers that prevent slamming when you're parked on uneven ground. Thor even includes USB charging ports nearby, so you can keep your phone or tablet powered while following a recipe or streaming music. Now, one of the standout features of the Four Winds 31H is its bunkhouse. Located just past the kitchen on the driver's side, you'll find a dedicated space with bunk beds. This is one of the reasons families love this model so much. The bunks are cozy, each with their own window, privacy curtain, and individual lighting. In the 2026 version, Thor has also added USB ports at each bunk, so kids can charge their tablets or phones while lying in bed. What makes these bunks even better is their versatility. During the day, you can convert the lower bunk into a sofa or storage area, depending on your needs. For families traveling with multiple kids, this space becomes invaluable. It provides private sleeping quarters for the younger ones without taking up the main living area. And just across from the bunkhouse, you'll find more clever design choices. Often, Thor positions additional storage cabinets or even an optional entertainment center opposite the bunks, so kids can enjoy their own little media zone. This kind of flexibility makes the Four Winds 31H feel like a rolling home designed for real families, not just a showpiece. As you move toward the rear, the hallway is wide enough to move around comfortably, even when the slide is retracted. The flooring is durable vinyl that mimics wood planks, resistant to scratches and easy to clean after muddy campground adventures. At this point, you're starting to realize just how many people this motorhome can comfortably sleep. Between the cab-over bunk, the sofa, the dinette, the bunkhouse, and the rear bedroom we'll get to shortly, the Four Winds 31H can accommodate up to 8 or even 10 people. That's incredible for a Class C motorhome, making it ideal for large families or groups of friends traveling together. Heading toward the very back of the 2026 Thor Four Winds 31H, you arrive at the private master bedroom. This is the retreat at the end of a long day, and Thor has made sure it feels like a real bedroom rather than just another section of the RV. A queen-size bed dominates the space, with a premium innerspring mattress that ensures comfort even after weeks on the road. For couples, the bed is spacious enough to stretch out, and for solo travelers, it feels downright luxurious. On either side of the bed, you'll find nightstands with outlets and USB charging ports. This small detail is one of those things you'll appreciate when you're plugging in your phone, a CPAP machine, or even a laptop. Overhead cabinets line the wall above the bed, offering additional storage for clothing, books, or personal items. On one side of the room, you'll find a large wardrobe with hanging space, drawers, and sometimes even mirrored doors to make the space feel larger. If you opt for the washer/dryer combo upgrade, this is also where it's neatly integrated, allowing you to do laundry on the go, a huge benefit for long trips. The windows in the bedroom have roller shades for privacy, and if you're parked in a scenic location, opening them gives you a cross breeze that's refreshing and relaxing. Many models also include an optional TV on a swivel mount, so you can unwind with a movie. The engine produces around 325 horsepower with 450 lb-ft of torque, more than enough to handle steep inclines, merging onto highways, or towing additional cargo. Paired with Ford's Torque Shift 6-speed automatic transmission, acceleration is smooth and power delivery is consistent. Whether you're cruising through the mountains of Colorado or driving across the flat highways of Texas, this RV feels steady and confident. The suspension system has been improved in the 2026 edition, reducing road vibration and giving passengers a smoother ride. With power steering and a relatively tight turning radius for its size, maneuvering into campgrounds or rest areas is much less intimidating than you might think. Another strength is the towing capacity. The Four Winds 31H can tow up to 8,000 pounds, meaning you can bring along a small car, boat, or trailer. This versatility is one of the reasons Super C and larger Class C motorhomes remain so popular. Fuel economy isn't going to rival a compact car, but for a motorhome of this size, you can expect around 8 to 10 miles per gallon depending on your load and driving style. With a large fuel tank, you'll have a solid driving range between fill-ups, which is especially useful on cross-country trips. In terms of technology, the 2026 Four Winds 31H integrates a control panel system that allows you to monitor tank levels, generator usage. The features you're getting: bunkhouse, sleeping space for up to 10, residential-style kitchen, queen bedroom, and a reliable Ford chassis. It's considered one of the best value motorhomes in its class. Dealers across the USA carry Thor motorhomes, and buyers can also order directly through Thor's dealer network to customize their preferred options. Financing plans are widely available, and with the RV market continuing to grow, these models hold their value well compared to many other motorhomes. So, to wrap things up, the 2026 Thor Four Winds 31H is more than just a motorhome. It's a traveling family home on wheels. From the powerful Ford engine to the thoughtfully designed bunkhouse, from the cozy master bedroom to the fully equipped kitchen, this RV has been built with real-world families in mind. It's a coach that makes long road trips comfortable, camping adventures easy, and family bonding time unforgettable. If you're someone who's been dreaming of hitting the road with enough space for everyone,